Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this super simple split tux bow, and this is a great little scrap buster tutorial. These are 6 inches each and I have heat sealed in the blue clear bit of the lighter. I have heat sealed all of my ends already, and then what I do, because my glue dries very quickly and it can get a bit bulky like my little glue trip there, so what I use instead is double-sided sticky tape, and this is just under a centimetre wide. It's about 10mm, 9mm wide, and it's perfect for projects such as this. So I use this, and as I said to you, this is 6 inches each. I did this pink one, it's a little bit smaller, that's 5 inches each side, so as you can see you can play around and get you slightly different looks. And like I said, the other thing about these is you can twist them and wear them either way, and they both look equally cute. So the reason I use the double-sided sticky tape is to keep the centres nice and centred and nice and flat. So at the ends on the plane, I go either end. I go right on the edge. And I take this side, and using the line of the tape, place that directly on top, and it gives you that nice 9mm. And then what we do is over the top of that original one, we put a new piece across the centre. And I always start this way first, so using that 9mm line as a guide again. And then what you do is line up all of those centres and give that a stick down. Still got a teeny tiny bit of fraying, so I'm just going to hit that edge because I don't want that to affect the bow in a minute. And then line up your ends and give your middle a little heat crease to get an even more centred bow. And then the peak, I use that as the front of my bow. And this one is going to be a sewn version, but I'll show you a super quick way to do a sewn version. I still bring mine up together, and I make sure that the peaks that we just put in line up, because that's the very, very centre of the bow. Put my thumb here, then bring that back down over there. You've got a nice even crease there, and then from behind you press those together like that, and you've got 3 completely even creases. And then what I do is I take my needle and thread, and I use these long 7-inch darning needles for this very reason. I'm going to use this because I'll need a bit of pressure and I don't want to wreck my nice table covering. But right through the centre of the crease, and it does take a little bit of force, which is why my needles occasionally bend. Move your fingers out of the way so you don't stop yourself going through the centre. But you basically just go up. And it is slightly easier for me to do off camera because I normally use the edge of my cutting boards, which are a bit thicker, but that's right through the creases. And then what you can do, because like I said, it's very, very minimal sewing, you can even wrap round instead if you don't want to sew through. I just think it gives it like an extra level of making sure it's super, super secure. Wrap it round a couple of times. And then don't stab through the back of your bow, but you sew off in the back the exact same way that you normally do. And if you ever get any residue from the double-sided tape on your needle, just take the lighter and then on a cloth, I normally use the edge of my t-shirt, you just wipe it off and it's perfectly fine. But I normally do 3 or 4 bows before I even consider thinking about it. But this is what you get. And then I have got this 45mm alligator clip. I cannot get my words out today. Don't line my clips. There's a little bit of glue in the centre. Glue that right in the middle. And then I've got some matching 9mm here. Don't forget to heat seal your end. A little bit of glue. Open your clip up. And 1, 2. I'm going to do a little twist over. So where your thumb is, twist that over like that. Heat seal again. Rid of that little bit of extra glue and my glue strings. And you've got a super cute split tux bow. And you can wear it this way or this way. They look really cute as pigtail sets. Like I said, you can make them in the slightly smaller 5-inch sizes. Perfect for scraps if you've just got a little bit of a pattern left. You've got some nice coordinating colours. And like I said, it looks super cute in so many patterns and so many different designs. Thanks for watching. Bye.